Yo, morning guys, hope everyone's feeling good today. I'm in the Orlando area and I'm going to be skating one of the most famous spots around here, which is called the Maitland Banks. These perfect brick quarter pipes. I've been seeing in videos for years. People have been telling me about them. I heard they're pretty tough to skate, but I'm excited to check them out. And my friend Tony is going to be taking me there and around the area. Tony has a channel called Tony Loves Skateboarding, and he's actually one of the first people I met when I started doing YouTube. I don't know, this was like maybe 6 or something years ago, and we've been in contact ever since. So it's cool to finally be able to meet him. That's one of the coolest parts about, you know, this whole YouTube journey is that all the people I've been able to meet, even the way I skate has changed. Like if I'm going to a new city or a new country, I'll look up skate accounts or hashtag, you know, skateboarding in X country, and you know, just message some people, be like, hey, I'm coming into town, you want to skate? And I don't know, it's just been cool. It opens up your world, and I don't know, like what better way to learn an area than to meet up with a local, you know, who lives there, knows all the stuff, best spots to hit, what not to hit. So yeah, psyched. Gonna meet up with Tony now, and he's gonna take us around. So let's get into it. Nice. Smoother right here. Not much, but definitely smoother. Smoother enough. Yeah. Also, I think it might be less steep too. See if we get a feeble. That's the trick that I've thought about. Yeah. We'll see. Alright, got a feeble fakie out of the way. Want to try to get a nollie back tail, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to pop it well with my small wheels on the like spaced out bricks, but let's find out. That's quick. Feet. I almost have to do it like. You see that? You see how I just got it? I was gonna say, is your nail seeming just kind of keeping it light, pushing it up. That's it. That was it. It's right there. Okay guys, gonna try a couple of tries at Nollie back tail revert out. See if we can do it.
Too safe. Now you need the rain though.
Yeah.
A little bit of helping there.
Wasn't locked in. Ran over my foot. I don't know.
Want to see it?
Yeah, I guess. I was like not locked in. It's all weird. Yeah, a little sketchy.
I would have quit a lot earlier.
All right, that's it for me here. Really fun spot. I tried that Nollie back tail revert for a while. For some reason, I just got obsessed with it and really wanted to get one. I did. It wasn't the cleanest, but I tried to redo it. I don't know, maybe half hour, maybe longer, non-stop attempts. Couldn't do it, but a little frustrating. Honestly though, it feels good because I haven't pushed myself that hard on a trick in a while, so even just like working up a sweat like that, and you know, skating's such a cool spot. Definitely love to come back here with some bigger wheels though. Okay, gonna take a little break and then probably hit another park.
They had a really nice mini ramp though.
Yeah?
That was like the only feature that people really liked, and when they talk about how's it going?
What's up, man?
What the fuck?
How's it going? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
How's it going?
Jeremy.
Chat.
Nice to meet you.
All right, your turn. I need a break. You need some time to warm up or what?
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah.
I mean,
Right.
I got you on like a 50-50
Alright,
on the border. Oh yeah.
Get some clips?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'll hit a kickflip right here in this middle.
Over the middle? Yeah. Wow, hell yeah. That was perfect. Alright, what are we feeling, Tony?
I can probably give you
Yeah?
a no slide here on this thing.
On this?
Maybe.
Alright, I'll take that. Damn. That'll warm me up right there.
Yeah. Those tacos are about to come out. I can try manual,
Okay.
and I can go over, do like a feeble, come back, Nollie backside foot to hip.
Alright. I like that.
A couple years ago, I fell off a flat bar and hit my head.
Oh, really?
So like, I've been so mentally like not want to skate them anymore.
Okay.
So just been trying a little front board,
get
front board.
back on it.
Never had a problem before. It was just like when I skated normally, I wanted to try like what is that, cross lock?
Yeah.
Because I've never done it that way. Fucking slipped and hit boom my forehead on the, scared the shit out of me.
Let's do it. before? Skating.
Since 1991. That's when I got my first Christmas complete. 1991, because I was stealing my brother's board and he got mad. So my parents got me my first board. And somehow they got me like a really nice one, like a Santa Cruz with Go-In trucks. I don't know how or why they
That's
do that.
rare, yeah.
So I think that kept me motivated, you know what I mean?
That was sick. Should have filmed all three of those. I should call it a day.
Oh.
They're still gross. Please. I can't do this again.
Yeah, you can.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
I'm taking the last one. I'm good. All right, one more. I really. I'm serious. It's not even a cool trick. Yeah, the juice ain't worth the squeeze.
Oh, what do you think?
I think it was a little bit better.
You got options. You got options.
Still kind of floppy, but. Thanks, man. Yo, I'm absolutely wrecked from that session today. I mean, both sessions really, but specifically the morning session. Those banks beat the crap out of me. My right knee was already feeling like really sore. Now my left knee just feeling crunchy. That's the one with all the pre-existing injuries. Yeah, that just beat me up, and I probably won't put all the bails in there, but I was battling that Nollie backtail revert for a long time. So I hadn't gone that hard in a while. With winter in New York, I really wasn't pushing, so my body's feeling it right now. But yeah, tomorrow heading towards Tampa. I don't know if I'll be skating there or not, but in that general area. And yeah, probably there in St. Pete for the next few days. So I'm excited. I'll see you guys tomorrow.